with the hostile environment and austerity, it feels like young people are in a system that massively disempowers them. I think that casework, the role of casework is kind of to support young people to fight for these very basic entitlements often.
Often we see that a lot of the young people, once they've come to us, they've already kind of gone through like 3 or 4 services, you know, where they haven't been heard, they haven't been believed, and then it's often then when they kind of come to our kind of casework service where we can kind of give them that trauma-informed safe space where they are encouraged to kind of like speak up for themselves. And that their voice is really, really important. There's been a few cases where they have had that experience of going through multiple services and not being believed, and then kind of coming to our service and then just seeing the kind of the impact of the casework service on them. For example, with A, who you've had more of a relationship with, but
with A, there was when we first met him, he'd had an age assessment. He was still waiting for his asylum decision. The age assessment had meant that he was rehoused in an adult accommodation, in a really unsuitable accommodation for a child to be living in. But yeah, over the last 2 years, it's been amazing, kind of the impact of casework on his life. So with him, we challenged the age assessment, which, the challenge was successful. So then he is now rehoused in suitable accommodation for a child. And
with X and Y, who are sisters, and both their mental health were really, really bad, and we were able to kind of link them in with the mental health support from Helen Bamba, and also link them into the girls group, and now they are loving girls group so much. And it's just kind of through kind of casework, you're able to link them into lots of other different kind of support services and know that there are these other services that will listen and where they can have fun and support one another, you know. So I've really seen that kind of impact on them as well.